How computer systems work, a beginner's guide in today's digital world. We rely on computers more than ever. From smartphones and laptops to cloud servers and smart cars, computer systems are everywhere, shaping how we live, work, and connect with others. But have you ever wondered how these systems actually work? Let's take a journey into the world of computer systems to understand what's inside the machines we use every day. What is a computer system? A computer system is more than just a box with a screen and a keyboard. It's a combination of hardware, the physical parts, and software, the programs and instructions working together to perform tasks from simple math to 3D animation. You can think of a computer system like a living body. The CPU is the brain. The RAM is short-term memory. The storage is long-term memory. The motherboard is the nervous system, and input or output devices are like your senses. The core components, let's break it down. 1. CPU, central processing unit, the brain of the computer. It processes instructions, performs calculations, and makes decisions at lightning speed, billions of operations per second. 2. RAM, random access memory, temporary memory that helps your computer work fast. It stores data the CPU needs right now. The more RAM you have, the more tasks you can do at once. 3. Storage, where your files, photos, and programs live. There are two main types: HDD, hard disk drive, larger, cheaper; slower SSD, solid state drive, faster, more durable. 4. Motherboard, the main circuit board that connects everything together. CPU, RAM, storage, graphics all plug into the motherboard. 5. GPU, graphics processing unit, handles images, video, and animations. If you game, edit videos, or use 3D software, this is your hero. 6. Input or output devices, input, keyboard, mouse, microphone; output, monitor, printer, speakers. These help you communicate with the system. You give it commands, it gives you results. Types of computer systems. Computers come in many shapes and sizes. Personal computers, PCs, desktops, laptops for everyday use; servers, powerful machines that deliver websites, files, and services over the internet; mainframes, huge systems used by banks, airlines, and governments; supercomputers, used for space research, weather simulation, and AI training. Each has its role, from browsing Facebook to exploring the galaxy. And the operating system? The operating system, OS, is the software that manages all the hardware and other programs. Examples: Windows, common in offices; macOS, used by designers and creators; Linux, loved by developers and tech pros. Without an OS, your computer is just a pile of parts. Connectivity, the power of networks. Computers don't work alone. Thanks to networking, they connect, share, and collaborate. From your home Wi-Fi to the global internet, it's all about sending data between systems. The future is even smarter as we move forward. Computer systems are evolving fast. Cloud computing powers apps from anywhere. AI is learning to think and assist us. Quantum computers are breaking boundaries, and you're part of this future by learning how it all works. Wrap up, so next time you open your laptop or tap your phone, remember, there's a powerful system behind every click, working hard to bring your ideas to life. Stay curious, explore more, and welcome to the world of computer systems.